My name is Rob Swears. I work for LUMENANT as the Director of Technology. Bipolar ionization is a way to clean and purify the air and also fortify it against airborne contaminants.
So many times we deal with airborne pathogens and airborne sicknesses that we cannot see. And so sometimes that's an uncontrollable factor in keeping residents healthy. But with these air purification systems, that's possible.
Bipolar ionization helps to control odors in a building. It can help lower the cost of HVAC maintenance by keeping your HVAC system cleaner, and it can reduce the spread of airborne contaminants, including norovirus, coronavirus, and influenza.
We are a secured community here, and so our doors and our windows are always closed and they're always locked. So we don't get to have a lot of open air environment from the outside. So a lot of times our air gets stagnant. When you're cooking broccoli and you're cooking cauliflower and you're cooking eggs, that air stands and it sits here in the community. The very minute they brought that technology in, we were able to notice that once that meal was prepared and it was fixed and it was eaten, the air automatically smelled cleaner. We didn't have those stagnant air environments.
My mom is in the memory care here, and she has dementia and COPD, so it's very important for her to have clean air. So I'm very pleased that we've got it here.
Well, my eyes don't water as much. My scratchy throat isn't a problem. And I just feel better.
My energy level is better. I feel better. So it's very comforting to know that we have clean air here, and it's just wonderful to know that you don't have to worry about.
Airborne pathogens, airborne diseases, airborne sicknesses are all things that we have to monitor on a daily basis. And these installs make it so much more easier to ensure ourselves and give our residents and our families peace of mind that we're providing quality air to keep them healthy and safe.
I don't particularly want COVID with a compromised immune system, and I really don't want my 86-year-old mother to get it. But, so it's very comforting to know that there's something in place that could keep us from maybe getting it. And the improvement that she's just had with her breathing, with her COPD, it's been wonderful.